Introducing FranConnect Sky New Features Overview. There are several exciting new enhancements for our SaaS customers. Starting from sales, formerly known as the Franchise Sales Module, provides a complete CRM built exclusively for franchise recruitment. Each step of the franchise recruitment process is critical. This is why the first message a prospect reads should be a personalized experience. To automate this process, source-triggered emails can be used to automate and personalize messages to candidates that inquire about your franchise from various sources, such as trade shows, social media, referrals, and much more. Select the source from the source category drop-down list and associate it to a specific campaign. If you want a lead to receive a source-based campaign initially, and then receive campaigns by status after initial contact has been made, you will place source ahead of status in the Set Priority tab. In the lead record, there are important details that should be collected during the recruitment phase. Once data or information is collected for a field, you may need that data to sync with another field in another tab. This can lead to duplicate efforts. You will improve efficiency, tracking, and reporting with the new sync field function. In this example, if you go to the form generator and click the Personal Profile tab, right next to the zip code field, you can select Modify. You will see a new option called Sync Fields. The drop-down box lets you select which fields you want this data to automatically sync with. This results in fewer areas to complete, reducing errors and ensuring greater accuracy. The ability to sync fields is also available in the Information Manager. DocuSign has been integrated with Sales, which will enable the users to send franchise agreement documents to close leads for electronic signatures. This can be configured in the admin, Franchise Sales, Configure DocuSign account. If you do not have a DocuSign account, please contact FranConnect customer support for more information on how to sign up. Applying automation workflow to your current recruitment process enables your system to be mapped into powerful, predefined workflows. When any of the following business rules are applied, the system will automatically move them into the appropriate status. This is set up in Admin, Franchise Sales, Setup Status Triggers. For example, if a lead fills out the franchise application web form, the status will automatically change to Application Completed. If an email campaign is set up to trigger when the status is changed, both the status change and the new campaign will occur without manual input by your sales team. Setting this up guarantees that the same process is followed for each candidate, streamlining your process, reducing errors, and improving accuracy. For our multi-brand SaaS customers, admins can set up FDDs for different brands in one system from the FDD management page. Simply select the brand from the drop-down box and associate it to the FDD. Opening new store locations within the proximity of existing locations can lead to reduction in sales volume and frustrated owners that lose business by creating competing stores. Site clearance provides a solution to mitigate these risks. The system can be configured to find the closest store in the vicinity based on the zip and postal code. Depending on the brand's site selection process, FranConnect customer support can set up a defined radius and configure site clearance to be available in either Sales or Opener. After you add a new site from the site summary page, you can associate it to leads. If Opener is available in your system, Site Clearance brings value to your onboarding management and tracking. If you go to Opener, you'll see the Sites tab. Here, corporate can manage the site approval process and get alerts when forms are submitted from franchise users. Once a site has been associated to a location or lead, you can lock it to prevent any other location or lead to be associated to it. The site submission form and workflow can be configured from the Site Clearance tab. You will be able to use the form generator to add, edit, and remove fields. The field names can also be used as keywords in email templates that go out to prospects. Opener lets users track every step from signature through opening with task-based workflow. Each task can contain a dependency where the task in the relationship can't begin until after the first task in the relationship is completed. This is set up in the Franchise Opener task checklist. Click on Dependency from the drop-down box. Click on Task Checklist. For example, you'll be able to select from 3 options: Start, End, and Actual Completion Date of. From there, you can select from a specific task. Information Manager combines franchisees' information into a single searchable repository with tools for workflow management, proactive notifications, and analytical reporting. The home page search makes it easy to find locations from the home page with additional criteria that can be set up through the admin section. The Hub, formerly known as the Internet Module, is the primary communications tool between the corporate staff and the franchise owners and their employees. You can find centrally stored documents, share stories, and gather feedback. Users can search the Hub content, such as FranBuzz posts, calendar items, and more, all from one central search bar. Training empowers franchisees with the knowledge needed to succeed, from opening through the engagement and local marketing. With optimized training dashboards and usability on mobile devices, training can be completed anytime from anywhere. You can click on the dashboard to see completed courses, take courses directly from your mobile device, and also see any upcoming training events. Field Ops, formerly known as PerformanceWise, makes it easy for auditors of franchisees to perform tablet-based inspections and create corrective action plans to ensure compliance. At the corporate level, the CAP report provides a list of all the corrective action items and their statuses. This can be very useful to gain transparency across all franchise locations. Finance, formerly known as the Financials module, improves royalty collection, accuracy, and timeliness. You have the ability to set up your system to automatically compute royalty fees for single-unit or multi-unit franchises, including complex calculations, such as agreement rules based on subcategories. This can be set up by going to Admin, Finance, Agreement Versions, and then select Category, Subcategory based on agreement rule. This will enable users to configure royalty fee amounts corresponding to the set of sales amount ranges in different products and service categories and subcategories. Based on your organization structure, a new hierarchy level is available. For example, if your organization has divisions based on brand or geography, you're able to add divisional users and divisions. This concludes the FranConnect Sky upgrade overview. We hope you find the new features are helpful in managing your business. If you need help or for more information on the new features, please contact FranConnect customer support at helpdesk@franconnect.com.